What's up guys, I'm Coach Ray. Welcome back to the channel. Recently I've just acquired a piece of land that we are turning into an amphibic spot. For those of you who don't know what amphibic is, amphibian, like a frog, lives in land and water, right? In this video what we're going to be doing is setting up a farmer's market area. I've got 1.5 meter long poles. We're going to be mixing some cement, we're going to be laying out the area, we're going to be grading some roads, because this is quite a fresh spot of land, so it hasn't been broken in, let's say. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Welcome to day number 2. So I'm just looking at my work from yesterday, and the squares are pretty square. These square holes of mud, hey, pretty decent looking squares. So for today I'm going to be finishing off the holes for the bottom corner of the market. I'm going to be doing poles for the parking, and then I'll be closing the holes and putting cement in them. I'm going to do the wiring after that, and then I'll be 100% done. So we'll call it 45% so far.
This morning and I felt so mean, and I woke up this morning and I felt so free. I died last night, I dreamt I was falling, now I'm on your side. Could this be my calling? I didn't notice I was walking on downtown. I couldn't hold as I've been walking around. round and around. I've been wondering, I've been broken and busy. Could it be so easy? Be so easy? Could it be so easy? Well, I woke up this morning and I felt so mean. I woke up this morning and I felt so free. Well, I died last night. I dreamt I was falling. Now I'm on your side. Could this be my calling?
25 kgs of glass.
Could this be my
That glass.
calling?
That's all around here.
Could this be my calling?
How, Mr. Pat?
Could this be my
Having a great time.
calling?
All this glass here is from the glass that was up there.
Could this be my calling? Could this be my calling? Could this be my calling?
So it's day 4. Grader in the background. We're getting the road sorted today. Yeah, so you're going to be turning in, going along the road, around the circle, down the road to the marketplace. Yeah guys, and I'm finally going to be doing my fencing too. I started yesterday.
Born in an African dawn, an orphan to the land, so gentle to the eye he was, as any woman's man. Africa kukala banwele, Africa kukala banwele wema, Africa kukala banwele, Africa kukala banwele wema, alala. As a group, people told him, son, don't you trust anyone. You learn how to trust a stone. Africa So he walked through the passion of his land, until at last he cried out, can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me?
So we're not Russia. There was some rock in the circle and they're over there. There they are. So, and they're all organized in a circle. So I decided that I'm going to relocate them from where they are to the circle when you come in. So from this pylon all the way to over here is a circle of white rocks. I don't know what they used them for before. I guess for praying or whatever, but check this out on the boat. I'm so jealous, bro. I'm so jealous, bro. Ooh, careful the bridge, bro.
I'm just a sailor swimming backwards. I'm just a fish out in the sea.
It's a lizard, bro.
I'm just a preacher in the graveyard.
It's not a schlongers. It's a lizard, bro. It's a little oaky with long legs, bruh. But I nearly shat my pants. I thought it was a baby snake, dude. I was looking for mommy snake. I'm gonna let the little man chill. I'm sure he was just sleeping there underneath the rock there. But I found the oaky. I was like, what? Can't be. And then it wasn't. But it was still a cool creature. Fuck. I'm not even gonna lie. That was fun.
I won't let anyone tell me I won't survive. I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine. I miss the permanence of failure. I miss the honesty of pain. But I've severed ties with all my anger. So I guess it's just the world we'll have to blame. This is for all those dreams I believed in. This is for all those doubts in my mind. This is a wild, wild world that we live in. I won't let anyone tell me I won't survive.
Excuse the prep for the next video, but these little oakies in the middle, they're quite sick, eh? Now you can see where the entrance and everything is. Nice.
I believed in. This is for those doubts in my mind. This is the last damn thing that I hold close to me. I won't let anyone so wrong tell me what's right. And this is for those dreams I believe in. This is for those doubts in my mind. This is a wild, wild world that we're be just fine. I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine. I won't let anyone tell me I won't survive. I won't let anyone tell me that I ain't fine.